Good morning everyone. In the last lecture, we covered up to the ortho effect and I hope you understood all those concepts. In this session, we will see the application of ortho effect. Okay. Now, this is the first question. Find the order of acidic strength. If you see, all these molecules are the benzoic acid or derivative of benzoic acid. And if you remember, in the last class, I explained how ortho effect or SIR effect affect the stability of benzoic acid. Correct? So we will use that concept here to decide the acidic strength of these molecules. Now, there are two ways to solve. One, we apply all the effects simultaneously, or we apply it in a sequence. So, we will apply all the effect in two sessions. First, we will apply all the basic effect what we learned before the ortho effect. Then we will use ortho effect. Correct? Now, if I see these molecules have no effect, it have no effect. If you see second one, before finding the acidic strength, what we have to do, we have to remove the acidic H. Correct? We have to remove the acidic H and then we have to apply a negative charge on all these oxygen. Now we have to compare the stability of negative charge. Higher will be the stability of negative charge, higher will be the acidic strength. Correct? Now, the first one have no effect. If you see the second one, this CH3 molecules have plus H effect. It will have plus I, since it is available at ortho position, so it will have ortho effect also. Correct? If you see the third one, these molecules, this is at meta position, so it will show only plus I effect, and this is at para, so it will show plus H as well as plus I. Now what I told, that we will apply all the effect in two sessions. First, whatever basic effect we learned before the ortho effect, plus M, plus H, minus H, aromaticity, resonance, inductive, all we apply all those effects first. Then we will apply ortho effect. So I am removing ortho effect. Correct? Now we will find a sequence. Now see it. All the plus effect will decrease the stability of minus anion. Correct? Okay. So all these have plus effect, means its stability will be less than carboxylic acid, less than first one. So we can write this is the first one will be most acidic among them, should be most acidic among them. Correct? Now we'll apply rest effect. You see, second and fourth have plus H and plus H dominate over plus I. Correct? Plus H dominate over plus I, and it will unstable the minus charge, and it is dominating means it will unstable minus more as compared to plus I. So third one will have only plus I effect, so its stability will be more than second and first, second and fourth. Correct? Okay. Now see the fourth one, fourth and second. In the fourth and second, both have plus H. The plus H is common. Then plus I. Second one have plus I. Plus I is near to the group. Higher will be the value of plus I, because inductive is distance dependent. Correct? Then its plus I will be more. Since its plus I will be more, it will be more unstable the anion. Correct? Second will be less stable than fourth, then there will be second. Correct? It should be the order of acidic strength in the molecule. Now we have to apply ortho effect. So what ortho effect told? If you see this one, due to ortho effect, ortho substituted benzoic acid become more acidic than benzoic acid. ortho substituted. So see this one, this is ortho substituted benzoic acid. And what ortho effect told that ortho substituted benzoic acid will be more acidic. Why it happened? We saw that in the last lecture, because of SIR. Because of SIR, molecules will carbon will not get resonance from benzene, so minus charge will be more stable. Correct? Correct. I explained you in this lecture, this one, in the last lecture. Okay, this one I explained you. Okay, okay. Now see one. You also this one. You get something. Oxygen have less time here. Oxygen get more time. Yeah, I hope you understand. Okay, come here. So I know what is happening. Ortho effect increase the stability of anion. Correct? Since it will be more acidic than benzoic acid, then we have not to apply anything. What we have to do in case of benzoic acid, and if SIR is dominating, if SIR is available, not dominating, if SIR is available, then what we will do, we will take the ortho substituted benzoic acid and put it just above the carboxylic acid, because what it told us that ortho substituted benzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. It means this one should be more acidic than this one. Correct? So what will we do? We will take ortho and put it before the benzoic acid. So which is ortho? This one is ortho. So what will we do? We will bring it above benzoic acid. Correct? 2, 1, then 3 and 4. Is it okay? You can apply all those effects. You can apply and compare. You then you will get the same order. Then also you will get the same order. What is the shortcut is that? What is the shortcut? Is whenever you see ortho effect or ortho effect having SIR, what will you do in case of benzoic acid? You will take the ortho substituted benzoic acid and put it just above the benzoic acid. If ortho substituted benzoic acid is getting lower position in the rank. Correct? Here what is happening? It is getting lower ना, but what ortho effect said, ये जो है हमेशा क्या होगा? ऑर्थो सब्सटीट्यूटेड बेंजोइक एसिड से ज़्यादा होगा. करेक्ट है? यही बोल रखा है ऑर्थो इफेक्ट में, इतना ही कह रखा है. तो हमको क्या, मेरे को क्या चाहिए था कि ये उसके आगे जाए. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग बस इसको सीक्वेंस से उठा करके उसके आगे रख देंगे. सो वट एवर रैंक वी गेट, वी विल जस्ट take the ortho substituted benzoic acid and put it just above the benzoic acid. Correct? Okay. Now the second question. Come to the second question. You have to find order of acidic strength. Correct? Okay. Now this, in this case, see what is happening. These molecules have minus M, minus I and ortho effect. We will not apply ortho effect now. At first we will apply all the basic effect, then we will apply ortho effect. Because ortho effect से हो क्या रहा है, बस एक चेंज होता है. ortho effect से क्या चेंज होता है कि ortho substituted जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है उसका पोजीशन या तो वो ज़्यादा एसिडिक हो सकता है या तो कम एसिडिक हो सकता है. उसी के पोजीशन में कुछ चेंजेस आ सकते हैं, बाकी सभी के पोजीशन में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. ओके, none of them will affect except ortho substituted benzoic acid. Correct? Okay. Now second one have only minus I effect, third one have minus M as well as minus I, and this have no effect. Correct? Now at first what will we do, we will arrange them on the basis of this effect. We will arrange them in their acidic strength order. Correct? Now minus, all the minus effect will increase the stability of molecules. Then all the first three is more basic than the fourth one. Is it correct? Because all of them have minus effect. Now minus M is dominating over minus I, so we can say that first and third will be more acidic than second. Now first and third, compare first and third. Minus M is common, minus M is common, then what will we compare? Minus I. Minus I is distance dependent, NO2 have a strong minus I. Then what will happen? this condition 1 will be the first, then there will be second, sorry second, not second, that will be third, then third, now second and fourth, second and fourth, second have minus I, fourth have no effect, the second will come first, then fourth. Now what we have to do, we have to apply ortho effect. What ortho effect told us? Ortho effect told us that ortho substituted benzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid, correct? So this one is ortho substituted, means one is ortho substituted and benzoic acid is this. So ortho, according to ortho effect, ortho substituted benzoic acid should be more acidic than benzoic acid, and which is already available here. Then we have not to change anything, the order will be remain same, correct? When we have to change, if ortho will be at lower position, if ortho will be less acidic after applying all the effect, if we get ortho substituted benzoic acid is less acidic, then what will we do? We will take the ortho substituted benzoic acid and put it just above the benzoic acid, correct? That is the shortcut. Rest you can apply all the effect, then you have to compare everything, that will be confusing many times. Okay, if you want you can do, but that will take more time. This is the better way, so you can apply this way, correct? Okay. Now the next question, now solve this one. Pause your video and solve this question first. Okay, now see, first one have no effect, second one have plus H plus I and ortho effect, third one also have plus H plus I and ortho effect, and fourth one also have plus H plus I and ortho effect. Now what we have to do? Now at first we will apply all the effect except ortho effect, then applying all the effect. First, the first one there is no effect, second one have 3 plus H effect, second one have 2 plus H, 2 hyperconjugation, third one have 1 hyperconjugation, means it will unstable it more. Before that you have to remove H and apply negative, then plus H is plus H will unstable anion, correct? And the second one have 3 plus H, it will unstable more. Then third one have 2 plus H, last one have 1 plus H. Then higher will be the hyperconjugation, lesser will be the stability of anion, correct? Okay. Then the order should be, first one will be most acidic, then fourth one, correct? Then second one, then third one. It should be the order of acidic strength. Now what we have to do? We have to apply ortho effect. Now check, rest all the three have ortho effect, and we know that if ortho effect is available, then the molecule will be more acidic than carboxylic acid. Then this one have to go to the last, means all the three will come before the carboxylic acid, correct? Then so we put it, we kept the one at their place and put rest of them just before one. Okay. Now extent of ortho effect. Here we are getting ortho effect because of SIR, steric inhibition of resonance. Steric means size, so steric inhibition of resonance will be more if size will be greater, correct. Now see, this is the methyl, there is ethyl, there is propyl, means higher the number of carbon means higher will be the size, higher will be the, bigger will be the size means higher will be the steric hindrance, correct. Its ortho effect is more dominating than this one and this one. It will have highest steric hindrance, okay, it will have highest steric hindrance, means it will disturb more the resonance of the molecule, correct. Is it correct? Then what we are comparing? We are comparing the extent of ortho effect. Fourth one have highest ortho effect, second one have less than fourth one but more than second one, and third one on the second one have lower ortho effect than third one because of their size. As we move right, size will increase. As the size will increase, ortho effect will increase, correct. Since ortho effect is increasing and we know that ortho effect will increase the acidic strength, so this one will increase acidic strength more than rest two, correct. Then fourth will become first, then second, not second, sorry, not second, third. What I write? 1, 4, 1, okay, 4, then 3 and then 2. Sorry, it's wrong. That will be 3, then 2. Correct? Yes, that should be the order. Now, after applying ortho effect, what is happening? Ortho effect, after applying ortho effect, fourth one is most acidic, then third one is less steric, third one have less steric hindrance than the fourth but more than second one. That's why third one will come, and then after second one. We also can say that we have to change nothing. What we have to change? We just have to put it above the 1, correct. If we apply that thing, our answer will be correct. Is it okay? Now come to the next question. Now come to this question. Now what will you do? At first apply all the basic effect. Before that, remove the H. Do not forget to remove H. Okay, remove H. Apply negative charge, negative charge, negative charge. Now we have to compare the stability of anion. That will decide the acidic strength, correct. Okay, now see, first one have no effect, this one have plus H as well as plus I, and ortho effect, how many ortho effect? It have one ortho effect. Now the second one we see, this one have plus H, 2 plus H effect, a plus I, 2 plus I effect, and ortho effect, and 2 ortho effect, correct. Everything is 2. Now except ortho effect, we will arrange them on the basis of their acidic strength, correct. So applying all the basic effect except ortho effect, okay. So I am removing ortho effect. Now applying this one have 1 plus H, this one have 2 plus H. Plus H, two group have plus H. Here there is 3 hyperconjugation, here we have 6 hyperconjugation, correct. Higher will be the hyperconjugation, lesser will be the stability of anion. Then the first one will be most stable, then the second one, then the third one. Is it correct? Now we will apply ortho effect. Here we have ortho effect 1, and here we have 2 ortho effect, one by this group, one by this group, clear. And we know that ortho effect increase the acidic strength. And the one thing is clear, that one is going to be least acidic by this, because second and third both have ortho effect. So second and third will be more acidic than benzoic acid. So first will be at last. Now we have to compare second and third. Now see, in the third one molecules, there are two ortho effect which will increase acidic strength more than second. Correct? The extent of ortho effect is higher. Extent of ortho effect is higher in the third one as compared to second one. So it will increase stability more than second one. Correct? Then it will be third, then it will be second. Is it correct? Okay, then what will be the order of stability? 3 to 1, and that will be the order of acidic strength. Correct? Now see this one. What will happen when you apply all the basic effect? What is this? Have no effect. This one molecules have CCl3 have minus H, it have minus I, and ortho effect. Now this one have only minus I, this one have minus H, minus I. Correct? Now we have to remove ortho effect and apply rest of the effect on. All these three have minus effect. It means its stability will be more than carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, first one. Okay, then first one is going to be last. Now apply minus H on the second and fourth. Minus H is dominating. Correct? Minus H is dominating. Since minus H is increasing the strength, so it will increase more, because minus H is dominating, where minus I is not dominating. It will not increase stability as much as increased by minus H. Okay, then the second and fourth one will be more acidic than third one. Then third one will be here. Third one will be Now we have to compare between second one and the fourth one. Correct? We have to compare between second and fourth. Now see what will happen. Second and fourth. Minus H is common in the second one and the fourth one. But in the second one, minus I which is distance dependent, the minus I of second will be more than the minus I of fourth. Then the second one, the stability of second one will be more than fourth one. Then we will put second, then fourth. Correct? I didn't remove the H because I am understanding what I am doing. Correct? You want to remove, you can remove. Okay, and it will be better to remove. So whenever you try, please remove it. Okay. Then what is the order of stability or acidic strength? What will be the order? What should be the order of acidic strength? That should be 2, 4, 3 and 1. Correct? Okay. Now we have to apply ortho effect. So we will apply ortho effect on the second. And what ortho effect state? Ortho effect state that acidic strength of ortho substituted benzoic acid is more than benzoic acid, which is already available here. Correct? And we have to change anything? No. This time we have not to change anything. This will be the correct order of acidic strength. Correct? Okay.